Grow and grind, cannabis solutions.
Making soap at home can be a fun and rewarding hobby, and using hemp oil as an ingredient can add nourishing and moisturizing properties to your soap. Here is a basic recipe for making hemp soap at home. Ingredients: 8 ounces of hemp oil, 8 ounces of lye, sodium hydroxide, 16 ounces of water, optional, fragrance or essential oils, coloring agents, other oils or butters, such as coconut oil or shea butter. Instructions: begin by measuring out the hemp oil and placing it in a heat-safe container. Next, measure out the lye and water and mix them together in a separate container. Be sure to wear gloves and protective eyewear when handling lye, as it can be corrosive and dangerous. Slowly pour the lye solution into the hemp oil, stirring constantly with a spatula or spoon. Using a stick blender, blend the mixture until it reaches a thick, creamy consistency called trace. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour, depending on the recipe and the humidity in your environment. If you want to add any fragrance or essential oils, coloring agents, or other oils or butters, this is the time to do so. Stir them into the mixture until well combined. Pour the soap mixture into a mold and allow it to sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours, or until it has hardened and cooled. Once the soap has hardened, remove it from the mold and cut it into bars. Allow the bars to cure for at least a few weeks before using them, as this allows the soap to harden and become milder.
Grow and grind, cannabis solutions.